If you want to update your YouTube channel logo or your profile picture on your YouTube channel, then it's very simple to do, just involves a couple of steps. So maybe that you have changed your channel name and you want to change the logo also, or let's say you just change or create a new logo and you want to upgrade that. So let's see how we can change the channel logo. I'll just click on the top right corner where I can see the view your channel option. So click here, and from here you will see this customize channel option. I'll click on that, and here you can make all of the customizations. When you go on to the branding, you can change your profile picture. Also, you can change the banner image from here. So let's say that I want to change it to something like this, and done. And this is how you can change it. And it looks pathetic. So let me just change it back. Looks better. And same thing goes for the banner image. You can change it from here. You can include the watermark, and you can also change the basic details like channel name and the branding or handle name here. So that's how you can make all the customizations on your basic info on your YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more customization tricks on YouTube, just mention in the comment section what you want to learn. So that's it, guys. This is how you do it. And if you want to learn more tricks, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you and take care.